Toledo is a city full of magic and history. GoCraft has the pleasure of inviting you to experience Toledo with all kinds of creative and unconventional activities in the city of the three cultures. Bringing the most traditional trades closer to the visitor in a fun and different way, and feeling the craft works at the most unique and special places all around the city. Through the Damascene Participative Workshop, you will discover all the secrets of this ancient craftwork inlaying precious metals into sweet iron. Side by side with the master artisan, test your skills creating your own Damascene piece. Either if you are working in the tourist business or just thinking about a nice trip to Toledo with your family or friends, welcome to GoCraft. Welcome to something different.